Hey guys, today we'll be showing you how to convert your jeans into skirts. If you want to know, then keep on watching.
So for this you will need your jeans, preferably boyfriend jeans, and a pair of scissors.
So this is how my denim looks like, and I'm gonna keep this much length. Now I will fold my denim and then chop it off. After that, we will cut off the inseams.
Now stitch this part and go straight as shown, leaving this side. So now for the back side, we will stitch it from all the way up and till here, leaving 3 to 4 inches from the bottom. Now to finish the skirt, fold the slit and stitch it.
So yeah, we're just teasing some bits, and yeah, your skirt is finally ready now, and we've just teamed up with a plain black t-shirt, a beige belt, and Adidas sneakers. That's it, and it looks so cool, to be honest. This DIY is so simple and anybody can just do this DIY. And yeah, that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel. Bye guys.